Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Metaphor ReFantazio game on your PC. Let's first open up the any browser and just search for the Steam. And Steam website appeared on the top, so open up this Steam website. And here you will see the login option on the right hand top, so just click on this login option. And guys, simply sign into your account, and if you don't have an account then just create an account. And guys, once you created the account then click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top. And guys, simply download the Steam and install it into your PC, and this is very simple and easy process. After that, just open up the Steam and log into your account, then click on the top search box and just type here the game, which is the Metaphor ReFantazio, and this game appear on the top, so just open up this game. And guys, once you open it, now here just scroll down and you will see the option of add to library. So just click on the add to library option. Now this is the demo version which is for free. Then just click on the OK, then just go to your Steam library, and guys, you can also pre-purchase it. Now here on the left hand side you will find the Metaphor ReFantazio game, and just click on that, then just click on the install, and this is how you can download and install this game. If you find this video helpful, so please consider liking, and I will see you guys in the next video.